Hello and welcome, dear friends. Here we are again with some more tips on how to become more aware intuitively to resolve the past. How would you do that? It's a very, very effective way to tune in to see any patterns that are repeating themselves that have not been resolved. How do you do this? This is taking your awareness to your chakra system. We're not going to talk about the chakras specifically today, but we're going to talk about the recycling of them. So at the age of 14, you will start to recycle through the root chakra. 1 to 7, you recycle every birthday. So when you're 15, you're going to move up then to the sacrum chakra, which is just below the belly button. Why is this important? Because you want to be able to resolve anything that comes up from the past so that it's not showing up again in a pattern that you keep repeating. And then you're not able to keep moving along in your ascension journey or whatever journey that is for you in this lifetime. So it's an opportunity to clean up old baggage, so to speak. Having this awareness lets you address those things in the year that they may occur. They also might show up in a very subtle way to see if it has been resolved, and you will be pleasantly surprised because A, you may not be getting triggered, and B, it's like, wow, I got through that pattern and nothing major happened. A great measure stick. So this is a wonderful tool to just be aware of on a regular basis. What am I working on this year? And in the crown chakra itself, when you're developing that at 14, if you go back to your teen years, if you're an older person right now, if you go back to your teen years, those are quite challenging years. So it's nice to do an energy map just to see where am I at and which chakras are most affected, because you will see a pattern there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, please contact me at Carell, C-A-R-E-L-L, at kilifestyle.ca. If you have any more questions at all, please like, share, and subscribe on our channel. We love that, and also I love getting the comments. So I hope you have a super great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.